Yes. Good morning, students. 11th November 2020, worksheet 1, understanding quadrilaterals. First sum. Find the sum of interior angles of hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F by dividing it into triangles. A, B, C, D, E, F is your hexagon. Now divide it into triangles and find the sum of the interior angles. So look here. This is a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Now divide this hexagon into number of triangles. Join CE, CF and CA. Now this hexagon is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Let A, B, C, D, E, F be a hexagon. Join CE, CF, CA. Now this is divided into 4 triangles. Triangle CDE, triangle CEF, triangle CFA, triangle CAB. Now in triangle CDE, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. In triangle CEF, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 is equal to 180. In triangle CFA, angle 7, angle 8, angle plus angle 9 is equal to 180. And in triangle CAB, angle 11 plus angle 10 plus angle 12 is equal to 180. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 we get. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 up to angle 12 is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 is equal to 720. Now rearranging the terms. Now we can arrange these terms in such a way that start from angle C. In angle C there are 4 angles. Angle 1 plus, now start from angle A, start from angle A. Angle 9 plus angle 10 is equal to angle A. Angle 12 is equal to angle B. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 7 plus angle 11 is equal to angle C. Angle 2 is equal to angle D. Angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to angle E. Angle 6 plus angle 8 is equal to angle F. So we conclude that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to 720. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to 720. Now second, find the sum of interior angles of a polygon of given numbers of sides by using formula n minus 2 into 180. So dear students, you can use this formula to find the sum of the interior angles of any type of polygon. Either it contains your 5 sides, it contains your 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. You can find the sum of the interior angles of any polygons by using this formula. So there are 3 parts. I go for first part and rest one you have to try to solve yourself. So if n is equal to 12, so by using this formula, sum of interior angles of a polygon 12 minus 2 into 180. 12 minus 2, 10 into 180 is equal to 1800. The sum of the interior angles of these polygons if polygons contain your 12 sides. Now after that you can find second and third part. If number of sides is equal to 9 and number of sides is equal to 22, you can find the sum of the interior angles of any polygon in this way. If each interior angle of a regular polygon, then this sum is divided by number of sides n. Now question third, find the measure of each angle of a regular octagon. Octagon means number of sides a polygon have 8. So number of sides in regular octagon is equal to 8. The sum of interior angles of regular octagon is equal to n minus 2 into 180. 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180. Don't find their product. After that we have to find each angle of regular octagon. Each angle of regular octagon is equal to the sum of interior angles of a regular octagon divided by number of sides 8. 3 2s are 4. 4 45s are 45 3s are 135. So each angle of regular octagon is 135 degree. Next, fourth sum. 4 angles of a pentagon are 100 degree, 175 degree, 85 degree and 75 degree. Find the fifth angle. If pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles, if 4 angles are given, find fifth ones. We can find the sum of these 4 angles and subtract it from the sum of 5 angles. The sum of the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is equal to 540. So 540 minus the sum of these four angles. In this way you can find fifth angle. Again, this is your homework for you. Next, I have solved this fifth one. Find the measure of x in the given figure. Yeah, this is your figures. Yes, here angle 40, angle 65, angle 100, angle 45, angle x. These are exterior angle, and we know that, remember that, don't forget it. Remember that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. Any kinds of a polygon, either it is 5 side, 6 side, 8 side, 10 sides, and so on. The sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360. Now 40 plus 65 plus 100 plus 45 is equal to 250 degree. Now angle x is equal to 360 minus 250 is equal to 110 degree, because the measure of the interior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. In this way we can find their sum. This is worksheet 1. So tomorrow I will go for next worksheet, that is worksheet 2, because this worksheet 2 is based upon the properties of your quadrilaters. So thank you very much. Do worksheet 1. Have a nice day. Bye.